The brand new setup. We got all the stuffies all around. Got these doggies and their little hoods. Then I got this little station right here of all my squishmallows. Let me show you the dogs. They're sleeping right now. They're the little pillows. Here they are. They're little. Like and subscribe if you think these guys are cute. They even have little hoodies that you can put off. Look, now they have no hoodie on. Look. Puggy, get hoodie on. Puggy now got hoodie on. See how Frenchie don't got hoodie on? Frenchie getting put hoodie on. Fwency. Then that's their little bed right there in the middle. Those are their pillows. Look, I gotta put them back to sleep. But